How's it going, everybody? It's Alex here, coming at you today with another Let's Play video. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. In the last episode, we took care of the Return of Eldon and the Return of the Slime Galaxy. And we took care of the first level of the game, Planet Florana. Today, we are going to be exploring the Starship Phoenix. So, let's get started. And also returning this game is customizing the ship. Cool. Ooh, we can get different colors. Nice. Oh, these are new. Bonnie orange, pulsing purple, Meeboy green. I'm going to try and switch up colors as I go through each episode. So, starting off with Meeboy green. And we can go back for free, I think. So I'm just going to keep it green for right now. Roar. I'm about to get there. Oh, that's right, I don't have treasures yet. And here we got the little quarters there, and there's what we're going to be looking at in just a second. And this door right here leads
Welcome to the Phoenix Trophy Room. Whenever a crew member is awarded a Medal of Honor, it is displayed here.
That's right. Right, Sasha. This is the trophy room where if we do certain tasks or find certain trophies throughout the game, they're going to be right here. And this door, I have no idea where that door leads. I'll be when we get to that point.
These are your quarters. I set up the VG9000 to play vid comic discs.
How do you think he got like this? Oh, the life of an intergalactic superhero can be very stressful. Anyway, you're telling me this nutcase is our only hope for stopping nefarious? We're host.
We're in trouble. We're in trouble indeed. I guess in like beds or something. There's the couch.
This is the VG9000 game system. If you have a vid comic, you could play it here.
New vid comic, which I might be getting later on. And the court poster, it got recovered from Veldon, I guess. Anyways.
Great. Meet me on the bridge. This is the Phoenix VR deck. Here you can train in combat simulations or practice using new gadgets.
Let's warm up. It's not working a lot. Thus we get practice for upgrading my weapons. So I'm going to use that opportunity. And these training simulations I'm going to be doing 3 times. Same thing with the arena challenges and the ranger battles. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the first one with Ranger Battle. I think this is the only game with Ranger Battles until, like, Full Frontal Assault or something. It's a Full Frontal Assault sucked ass. Oh, sweet, we get discount on ammo too. Sweet. Whip it. Whip it good. Plasma whip, it's a really creative weapon. It's also really fun to use. Reminds me of the Mac Target weapon. Speed round and okay, we got our first weapon-based challenge. Shocker. Only the destroyer of the test drone is only using the shock blaster. And I think the help desk lady said just yeah, hold circle and you do a charge attack. This looks like the test enemies from Ratchet and Clank 1. Okay, wrench, beat down. You can only use the wrench. I don't want that. Oh crap. And flamethrower ones are going to be the most ones I'm going to have the most trouble with. If you're going to beat me, I got it. Oh crap, I'm running low on ammo. There we go. Alright. Speed round. We only got 1 minute for this. Oh, this ain't nothing. This ain't no game. Good, now take this. Awesome. baby. 92nd player. Yeah, pretty much you can upgrade your weapons from level 1 to level 5 in the main game. Ooh, plasma whip. Level 2 on the plasma whip. Awesome. Yeah, bro. There's a titanium. Okay. Alright. Let's do it. N60. Also, the two new weapons we got are the sub cannon and the infector. I just remembered it. It had been a long time since I played this game professionally, so it took me a little bit to figure this out. Stop me. It started dead living on the radio. Oh wait, wrong game. Holy crap, there's so many weapons. Fast and furious. so far I've made it to level 2. That last bit of this last round. Last bit of this challenge. Sweet. There we go. Yeah. Titanium bolt. Ooh, sweet. It's not enough. Oh well. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll get these challenges up to 3 victories each. I'll see you then.